Heavy rainfall and sudden flash floods have taken a devastating turn across Beijing, the capital of China, and vast areas of the northern region. So far, at least 30 people have been reported dead in this deadly disaster, while thousands have been evacuated to safety. Landslides, power outages in villages, and damaged infrastructure have created a severe crisis throughout the country. China's state news agency Xinhua and other local media have reported that by midnight on Monday, 28 July, at least 30 people have died in the capital, Beijing. The highest number of casualties occurred in the Miyun district, where over 100 homes were damaged. The northern Huairou and southwestern Fangshan areas of the city have also been severely affected.
যুক্তরাষ্ট্রের এক নম্বর জিম চেইন গোল্ড জিম এখন আবারও বাংলাদেশে বসুন্ধরা আবাসিক এলাকা ও বসুন্ধরা সিটি শপিং মলে।
According to Beijing Daily, more than 80,000 people have been evacuated from the capital alone. In the face of the approaching disaster, firefighters rescued 48 elderly residents from a nursing home. Due to the flooding, road communications have been cut off in some areas, and nearly 130 villages have been left without electricity. On the night of Monday, July 28, Chinese President Xi Jinping issued a warning to authorities across the country, urging them to prepare for the worst-case scenario and swiftly relocate residents to safety. Meanwhile, the Chinese government has allocated 350 million yuan, approximately $49 million in relief funds for flood-affected regions across 9 provinces, with an additional 200 million yuan specifically designated for Beijing. China's Meteorological Administration has issued the second highest level of rainfall alert for the capital Beijing, as well as Hebei, Tianjin, and a total of 10 provinces. The severe weather conditions are expected to continue until Wednesday, according to forecasts. China frequently falls victim to natural disasters. During the summer months, some regions experience heavy rainfall while others face extreme heat, creating an overall unstable environment across the country. In response, government authorities and rescue teams have been deployed to manage the situation. Umerman Kranti, Daily Sun.
For more updates, follow us on Facebook, subscribe our YouTube channel, get the latest update on www.daily-sun.com.